right, folks, welcome aboard train 779. If you just joined us here in Los Angeles, please have your tickets out and ready. If you have your ticket on a cell phone or a tablet, please. If you have your ticket on a cell phone or a tablet, please have that application open and have it set to the highest brightness it will go to. If you need a restroom, the restrooms are located in every coach car, upstairs and downstairs at one end of the car. Once again, this train is going to San Luis Obispo. Welcome aboard train 779.